Ready to uncover the truth about clickwages and see if it's a legitimate opportunity or just another online trap? Let's dive right into clickwages. What exactly is it? Clickwages claims to be a platform where you can earn money by completing simple online tasks. These tasks can include anything from filling out surveys and watching ads to clicking on links and completing micro-jobs. The appeal is obvious: easy money from the comfort of your own home. But does it actually deliver on its promises? The biggest red flag with clickwages is the extremely low payout for the amount of time spent. You might spend hours completing tasks only to earn a few cents. Many users have also reported difficulties withdrawing their earnings. Some experience account suspensions right before they reach the minimum payout threshold, leaving them with nothing. Look into user reviews before using. Another point to consider is data privacy. Be cautious about sharing personal information on platforms that aren't transparent about their security measures. The verdict: while some users might see small payouts, clickwages has a high risk of being a waste of time and potentially even a scam. Focus on establishing yourself on more reputable websites such as Prolific or Amazon Mechanical Turk instead. So, is clickwages worth it? In most cases, no. There are better and more reliable ways to earn money online. If you found this review helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends to help them avoid potential scams.